So now let's talk about the daily market mover, the report that you get the day before the event takes place in the trade room. My favorite daily market mover, I'll show you how to read the report, okay? My favorite daily market mover is a report that very few people don't even know about. It's the API report, okay? It's a trade, it's an oil trade, a lot like the Wednesday oil trade, but it takes place every Tuesday at 4:30. And we found a specific method to trade it. So we released a daily market mover report for this trade. The title of the report is listed on the daily market mover. It's the API weekly crude oil stock report. It has a risk of 3. It's considered a reasonably risky trade. The current report is trading the current oil contract. Specifically, it's CL1119 on your chart. The trade event takes place at 4:30 p.m. That's when the news is released, 1:30 Pacific time. There is usually no forecast for this news. It makes it a trickier report to trade. We also list movement that this event has had over the past up to 18 months. There was a minimum move in October of 11 ticks. There was a maximum move in December of 50 ticks on this report. We also have the last 20 trade results, okay? The last 20. But that's not the most important thing on this report. The most important line on this report is the yellow line. It's the way that I trade the report. It's the way that you can watch me do what we do in the trade room. I have a recommended bracket that I use. I have an activation time. That's the time that I enter the trade. I have a cancellation, although on the API report, I will tell you this, I don't cancel the report except in unusually rare conditions. And then we also have now started to release targets that I might use in a trade and the stop. We've also added a mini journal to the report that has the last 6 trades and what happened during those trades. The API report, as you can see, has been trading quite well lately. Okay, it's had quite a few winners as opposed to losers over the last 6 reports. Now, I did something special on this report. I explained very specifically how to trade it, how I trade it, not how you should trade it, how I trade it. So you could watch me and understand the thinking that I'm doing when I trade the API report. That's the new daily market mover. That's how you read it. It's very easy, but it's filled with tremendously useful information, and it comes out the day before a trade, okay?